Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
It's the Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, February 15th, 2020. I'm Scott Martin. Today will be a nice day across the area, but clouds and a few showers return to the forecast for Sunday through much of the week. We could even see some heavier rain and a strong storm or two on Tuesday. More on that in just a minute. I'm recording this video at midnight, and here are the temperatures from across the area. We were in the upper 20s to right at 40 degrees across the area. Gadsden and Haleyville were tied as the cold spots at 27 degrees. The warm spot was Montgomery at 40 degrees. Birmingham was sitting at 32 degrees. These will continue to drop and reach the mid-20s to the lower 30s across the area right before sunrise. Skies across the area look to be clear according to the latest infrared satellite image at this time, and really no cloud cover anywhere near the area as well until you get into the central and southern parts of Florida and along the Atlantic coast. No watches or advisories are in effect across central Alabama at this time, but we do see that several flood warnings continue for many of the river systems in the state due to the excessive rainfall we have seen this month already. Speaking of rainfall, the latest rainfall projections from the Weather Prediction Center has much of the area receiving 1 to 2 inches with a few localized heavier amounts. Nothing like we saw over the past 2 weeks. Here's something that we do not see often in this business. No thunderstorms are expected to occur across the lower 48 for today, Sunday, and again on Monday. It's rare to get that on 2 days in a row, but 3 days in a row is nearly unheard of. Alright, model fans, let's dive into the forecast. We'll start off with a 0Z run of the GFS valid today at noon. A high will begin to form just to our east over the coastline of North Carolina that will begin to pull warmer and moist air up from the Gulf into central Alabama. But we will remain dry. Skies will be mainly sunny through much of the day, but clouds will make a return late. There may be a stray shower or two moving into the extreme southern parts of the area before daybreak on Sunday, but that is not likely at this point. Afternoon highs will be in the mid-50s to the lower 60s across the area. As the high will be off to our east on Sunday, a low will form off to the west over the northwestern parts of Texas. That will continue the flow of warmer and moist air from the Gulf into central Alabama. We'll have mainly cloudy skies across much of central Alabama with a small chance of rain for locations in the southern two-thirds of the area. Highs will be in the upper 50s to the lower 60s. On Monday, a cold front forms from a low that will be moving rapidly northeastward from the central Midwestern states up towards the Great Lakes region, and the front will begin to move in our general direction. We'll continue to be in the flow from the Gulf that will keep a few showers in the forecast throughout the day, but overall rain chances will remain small. Highs will be in the mid-60s to the lower 70s. The cold front will approach from the northwest on Tuesday and will begin to move through the northern half of central Alabama, bringing rain and thunderstorms to the area. We may have to watch this setup as we'll have plenty of warm, moist air in place, which will be a little unstable. The good news is that the low associated with the front will be way up in Canada, so we are not expecting a big issue. Projected soundings for central Alabama on Tuesday afternoon shows a marginal severe thunderstorm threat, as there looks to be a modest amount of instability, but the shear will be on the weaker side. The Storm Prediction Center does not mention any threat of severe storms on their Day 5 outlook graphic at this point. We'll keep our eyes on it this weekend to see if we would need to make any changes to the forecast. Afternoon highs will be in the upper 60s to the mid-70s. Rainfall amounts for the day look to be in the 1 to 1 3/4 inch range across the area. The front will be stationary over the central parts of the area on Wednesday. That will keep showers in the forecast and skies cloudy. The good news is that the rainfall totals will be well less than 1/2 inch across the area. Highs will be in the lower 50s to the mid-60s across the area from northwest to southeast. On Thursday, the front finally starts moving slowly southward, which will keep most of central Alabama dry behind the front and only a few showers possible ahead of the front. Looks like showers will be out of the area by the evening rush hour. Highs will be in the upper 40s to the mid 50s. Skies will start to clear out on Friday and we'll eventually have a decent amount of sunshine before sunset. It will be dry but rather cool across central Alabama. Highs will range in the lower 50s in the northeast to the upper 50s in the southeastern parts of the area. As you know, Alabama is no stranger to severe weather, especially tornadoes. They can happen at any time of the year and at any time, day or night. We are approaching our primary severe weather season for Alabama, which is March, April, and May. Our 2020 Severe Weather Awareness Week starts on Sunday, February 16th, and goes through Friday, February 21st. We will have posts on the blog throughout the week discussing severe weather hazards and safety. Governor Ivey has also declared next weekend, Friday, February 21st through Sunday, February 23rd, as the 2020 Severe Weather Preparedness Sales Tax Holiday. More information on that can be found at the National Weather Service Birmingham's website at weather.gov/BMX. Just look for the link at the top of the page. The National Weather Service office in Birmingham will be offering several online basic spotter courses and a single advanced spotter course over the next few months. These online courses are free and are open to anyone who would like to learn more about what it takes to be a spotter and what to look for. More information can be found on the National Weather Service Birmingham's website at weather.gov/BMX. Just look for the link at the top of the page. That will wrap it up for today's Weather Extreme video. Bill Murray will have your next video out bright and early on Sunday morning. I'm Scott Martin signing off for today. Have a great day and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.